Morning, folks. MLive Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa here with the MLive Morning Weather Update brought to you by Consumers Energy. We have several things to talk about. Not much in the way of precipitation, almost nil, although there is a rain, it looks like, Saturday night, Sunday morning. Could be kind of useful, so we'll look at that. Northern Lights, we're under a geomagnetic storm watch for tonight and Friday night. What does that mean? It means that we could have, very likely we'll have northern lights somewhere across lower Michigan. There's a cloud bank, and I'm going to show that to you on the models too. So you'll have to deal with that tonight in a stretch across northern lower Michigan. And does the warmth just continue and continue on? And we skip winter? Well, we'll look at that too. So here's the current satellite image. So we go into the forecast for the northern lights. The northern lights are expected to be visible tonight. Sunset to 2 a.m. is their best guess. And then same thing tomorrow, sunset to 2 a.m. Saturday morning. But note the batch of clouds out in Minnesota, and now we go to the models, and it shows that that batch of clouds thickens, might even try to produce sprinkles or something like that. I don't think we'll have rain tonight, but you can see where we're going to deal with the clouds for the northern lights viewings. For example, I've been talking to somebody just a second. I've been talking to somebody from Muskegon, and I said, well, you're probably in pretty good shape in Muskegon. Bear with me, I got to get the Keweenaw Peninsula in there. Otherwise, I hear from the Yoopers. All right, so here we go. This is a radar forecast. And we've got a great day today, a dry day today. Amy Zetto, yes, I said that kind of tongue-in-cheek. We do definitely need winter, or our things change a lot in Michigan. So this is 11 p.m. and you can see the model trying to indicate what I would consider like, sprinkles or very light sidewalk wetting shower at most. Eastern UP, Mackinac City, Petoskey, Charlevoix, Traverse City area. So there's going to be a bank of clouds with that, and I'm going to show that to you. And then we go through the night tonight, and tomorrow morning that slips into maybe some sprinkles or a light shower in the southeast part of the state. Friday afternoon, not anything significant. That's been in the forecast the whole time. And then Friday night looks really good for northern lights viewing. By the way, Friday night is pegged right now as the greatest chance of northern lights. Friday evening toward midnight. Here's the cloud cover forecast. 0 meaning no clouds. It's a percentage of clouds in the sky. So we go to dark tonight. We go to 10 o'clock tonight, and you can see those clouds coming down toward Traverse City. We go to midnight tonight. And so anywhere from, say, Frankfort to Cadillac to Alpena southward, you have a pretty good chance of seeing the northern lights. Where would be the best chance tonight? Tip of the thumb and the northeast shoreline. Standish to Tawas to Alpena would have the best chance of the most clear skies. Then that bank of clouds moves through lower Michigan on Friday. So this is Friday afternoon. So we're kind of cloudy on Friday afternoon, southern lower Michigan. But as we go to Friday evening, this is at dark, skies clear, and we go through the middle of the night, Friday night and Saturday, early Saturday morning, Saturday night, and clear skies. So as far as clouds go, across northern Michigan, Friday night looking better. All right, so now let's start to look at the weather out into the future. What we're going to look at here is the temperature anomaly at about 5,000 feet up. I do this so you don't see the fluctuations day to night of temperature. You just see the general trend. And when you see the orange and red, that means we're warmer than normal. And when you see the blue and green, we're colder than normal. It looks like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we could run about 5 degrees cooler than normal. There could be a frost in the northeast and in the thumb. Could be a frost. We're getting that time of year where it's not really too hard to produce a frost. Even this morning we had some spots. I think Grayling went down to like around 30 degrees. So here we go. But what you're going to see in general is the warmer than normal temperatures dominate. So this is Friday and Saturday and Sunday. Cold front comes through on Sunday. Starts to cool us off, and then this is Monday morning. The green there would represent a surface temperature about 10 degrees colder than normal maybe, but it could be windy and cloudy. So the models I'll show you hold us to upper 30s, low 40s. The models don't show any frost, but I'm just warning you that we could be into our first one in some spots. Now we're into Wednesday of next week, still a little on the cool side. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, definitely cool. And then, hey, good morning, Margie Alvarez. Thanks for watching. Tony Babcock, good morning. And Teresa Zelli, good morning to you. Troy Simmons, thanks for watching. So then we go to next week on October 12th, and look at, here comes the big mass of warmer air. This would be, again, some 10, 15, 20 degrees warmer than normal, which October 13th would, could get us well into the 70s and could get us toward that big 80 mark. I've told you that I don't think it's over. I think that's our time to see an 80 in October. Here's the surface weather, and you'll see the cold front. That's the cold front right there. I'm going to look at it closer for you. Saturday night, Sunday, that's our hope for some rain. Then behind it, a little bit cooler for Monday and Tuesday and maybe part of Wednesday. And then here comes that warmth building back into southern Canada, into the northern plains, into Minnesota, and heading our way. That would be about October 13th. Here's a closer look. So we'll look at, this is early Saturday night. This is Saturday night, Sunday morning. Remember, these are 6-hour rainfall totals. So when you see the blue, that's a ½ inch of rain in a 6-hour time period. Where you see the yellow, that's 1 inch of rain. What this is trying to indicate, we could have a few thunderstorms, some streaks of meaningful rain. I would say Saturday night, not much left on Sunday, and then we dry out and don't have any rain. So in the next 10 days, we have one shot at rain. So morning low temperatures, of course, are going to be cooling off. Good morning, Leroy Helgeson. Thanks for watching. Katrina Sidak, good morning to you. And Susan Tent, hello. Kim Hopkins, thanks for watching. All right, so this morning was pretty mild. Friday morning, low temperatures. These are low temperatures in the lower 50s. That's mild. Saturday morning, 40s to near 50. Sunday morning, ahead of the cold front in the clouds. That keeps the temperatures up, so upper 50s to near 60. And then Monday, starting into the cooler air. But remember, clouds and wind don't allow you to really plunge, so you drop into the 40s. Tuesday morning, I think this could wind up trending colder. 40s, I think you could start to have some 30s in the northeast, maybe the thumb. Wednesday morning, down into the low 40s, upper 30s. Thursday morning, here's some 30s, so you could start to talk frost Wednesday or Thursday morning, and then of course the temperatures warm back up, and I want to show you the high temperatures. Today we're in the 70s in a lot of lower Michigan, most of lower Michigan. Beautiful, beautiful day. Hey, Grace Davis, good morning to you. And Linda in Ann Arbor, good morning. So this is tomorrow, 70s. This is Saturday, 70s. This is Sunday, 70s, 60s in the northwest, 50s in the UP. Then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, admittedly cooler in the 60s south half, 50s north half for highs. Tuesday, cool, fallish. Wednesday, fallish, 55 to 60. Thursday in the 60s. Friday in the 70s. Now, this is 10 days out, so we don't really believe this, but if we believe the upper air pattern on this model, it certainly is possible that we could be well into the 70s. And could we touch 80 with dry soil? Yes, certainly we could. Look at the 6 to 10 day and the 8 to 14 day forecasts. Okay, 6 to 10 day. About normal, but look at the dry signal. 8 to 14 day, warmer than normal to October 16th. Look at the dry signal. Continues there. So there you have it. I will have an update from NOAA's Space Weather Prediction Center on the forecast for the Northern Lights. They don't tend to change the strength expected because they really don't have any instruments that, after they figure out that we might have a KP index of 7, they don't really have any instruments that would allow them to adjust that forecast until the energy is just about 45 minutes from the Earth's atmosphere. So we'll probably just get a little tweak in the timing, maybe some more wording, but I'll have that for you later on this afternoon on MLive. Hey, thanks for joining me on the MLive Morning Weather Update, brought to you by Consumers Energy. Have yourselves a great Thursday. I'm MLive Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa. Take care.